Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Onyinye Ude, and as always, thank you so much for your love and support. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm sharing something truly special, the art of making homemade butter. Yes, the same butter you know and love. But this time, you're going to make it right in your own kitchen. No preservatives, no added color, just pure, fresh butter. Growing up, butter always seemed like a luxury, something only the rich could afford. Even now, store-bought butter can be quite pricey. But with this simple method, you can make your own, fresh and affordable. So let's get started. All you need is 1 carton of heavy whipping cream. That's it. Here, I'm pouring the cream into a mixing bowl. I started whisking manually at first. Let me tell you, it was a bit tiring, but I enjoyed every moment of it. That's why I call it an art. You can use a mixer if you want to make it easier. I kept whisking and gradually increased the speed. After a few minutes, it started to thicken, just like when you're making frosting. Then it thickened even more, and the magic began. Soon, the cream changed from its original white color to a pale yellow. That's your sign. The butter is forming. It starts getting firmer, and you'll notice some liquid separating from it. That's the buttermilk. I kept whisking until the butter completely came together and stuck to my whisk. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I could already smell the freshness, and the texture was just so satisfying. Now that our butter is churned, it's time to gather it together, mold it gently, and wash it thoroughly in iced water. This helps remove the buttermilk and keeps it from melting. Wash it twice until the water runs clear. Now mold it into your desired shape and wrap it using foil or parchment paper. And just like that, our butter is ready. Spread it on bread, use it for cooking, baking, or anything else you love. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps my channel grow. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, and God bless you.